Que pasa way, amigos and amigas. But yo, so I've been using this soap, well, this brand. This soap. This deodorant. Well, I've been using this soap too. But I've been using this brand for about a month now. And bro, I will say this brand is amazing. Like, I finally found a brand that I actually like. And then they started doing. But they started charging like $20 per deodorant and $15 per bar soap. I'm not paying that, dog. But what I do like is they donate a percentage of the money they make to the military. If you know me personally, you know, like, my dad was in the military and he served in Vietnam and stuff like that. I should tell my dad about this brand, but I don't know if he would pay that though. But that's what I do like about this brand. And it's also good. It's not just that. This brand is actually freaking great. Like, this deodorant, bro, you can smell it from like a couple of feet away. And it's heavy, bro. It got some weight on it. When it came to me, I'm like, bro, what? This is heavy. But yeah, it lasts. And the soap, but I would not recommend it if you have sensitive skin, because like it took me a week and some change to like get used to it, like, cause it would irritate my skin. But after a week and some change, I got used to it. The soap, oh my god, bro. Like, that soap is freaking amazing. Like, it lathers up so well and it lasts. And like, you can just tell, like, bro, you're clean. Like, only thing is, it takes a minute to like rinse off. It's not like other soaps. Like, it sticks to you. But yeah, man. But that's the only drawback with the soap, is like it takes a minute to like rinse off and stuff. Yeah, bro. But you can tell you're clean. But if y'all don't mind paying like $20 per deodorant and $15 per bar soap, then I say go ahead and do it. Like, there's another brand I want to try, but I have like Old Spice deodorant. I want to try that, but I highly doubt I'm going to stick with Old Spice. But there's another brand that's $10 cheaper than this brand. They also donate to the military. It's called Duke something. If I like that brand, what the hell is that? But if I like the brand, then like I'll post and I'll let y'all know. Yeah, but bro, this is good. I can't lie. I'll give it like a 1 out of 10. I'll give it an 8.9. But like I said, for the price, nah. And then, like I said, I'm not supporting Amazon, because they want to also just, like I said, just sell it on Amazon. And if you know the horror stories, and then I also used to work with Amazon, so I really don't want to buy anything from Amazon or even support them. But if you want that story, then, but yeah, bro. But the $15 for the soap, yeah, I could that's kind of worth it, cause like I said. But $20 deodorant, nah, they tripping, dog. But yeah, have any of y'all tried this? And y'all like it too, let me know. But I'm out. Yeah.